What's up guys, so we are 8 days away from the official announcement of the Galaxy S10 family, and with that we're gonna see the birth of Infinity O design. But the S10 family is not the first phone to come with this design. The Galaxy A8S is indeed the first Infinity O phone, as we have talked about it before, but now it is here. It's time to unbox and see in person what this Infinity O display is all about. Alright, let's cut open the box real quick. Let's quickly lift this up and see what is inside. So it comes with a silicone case, which is pretty good. It is transparent. As you can see, the cutout for the triple cameras and the fingerprint scanner on the back, along with some paperwork. Alright, the moment has arrived. As you can see, wow. Okay, I think you guys can see the hole as well. It is towards the left. We're gonna see it on the right with the Galaxy S10 family, and a very beautiful design on the back. We're gonna take a look at this phone, but first let's take a quick look at the content. So first we have the fast charger along with a Type-C cable, and then normal Samsung headphones. And no, these are not the AKG headphones that we get with the Galaxy S family and the Note. All right, let's see the beautiful Galaxy A8S. So I have plastic on the back and removing the plastic from the front, revealing this beautiful display. Alright guys, the time is here. It's time to boot this phone up and look at that beautiful Infinity O display. So Galaxy A8S, I have to say it feels really good in hand, very premium. It's kind of weird because this is the first Samsung phone that is not having a headphone jack, which is crazy. Alright, so the display is on, and this is looking pretty good. You can see by default we have a very cheeky wallpaper to hide this, but if we go here in the notification area, you can definitely see that the hole is there. And obviously, since I'm using and looking at this first time in person, I'm definitely paying a lot of attention to it. But I will be using this phone to see if I get used to it. I will be doing my review in the coming days before the Galaxy S10 comes out, so stay tuned for that. This is it, guys. This is the future. The Infinity hole is going to be the design that we're going to see on a lot of phones this year, not only from Samsung but from other companies as well. And as you can see, the hole is actually intractable from the lock screen, as we have seen from the videos from Ice Universe. So it is true that you can swipe from the hole to launch the camera. Okay, so I'm back after some time setting all the applications and changing the language to English from Chinese. I gotta say, I absolutely love the lock screen. So every time you press the power key, it will show you this animation around the camera hole. And what this is doing is it's actually recognizing the face, or pretty much doing the facial recognition. So right now, obviously, you can't see my face because I'm behind the camera. It looks pretty cool, and something like this will be implemented on the Galaxy S10 family with their own animations. So taking a look at the display, it is looking beautiful. When I first turned it on, I had the full. After actually using the phone, you don't really notice the hole there. I mean, it is pretty insane that I'm getting used to this that quick. It is kind of like when I had the experience with the notch for the first time. So, but it definitely looks better than the notch. We have much more screen area to play with, and Samsung has done some tricks to optimize the whole software experience to this hole. So you can see the status bar is actually a bit thicker compared to what you normally see, and because of the thicker status bar, nothing will be messing around with the hole. So I'm using the Instagram. As you can see, it is not interfering with any icon whatsoever. If I launch the front camera, as you can see, it is doing nothing. It's absolutely on the black area. Everything works great. The only thing that I've noticed is actually when you open a certain story, it shows you this white background. So of course, Instagram is not yet optimized for this display technology, but as more Android phones come out with this display tech, we're definitely going to see Instagram updating their application for this technology so that it will look much better. And same thing with the Twitter application, and nothing being compromised. It is looking pretty good. If we open Play Store, it's just a thicker status bar which is taking all the space, so no worries whatsoever. This is actually a 6.3-inch 1080p display, and it is looking pretty sharp. This is not the best of Samsung. It is the LCD technology. With the Galaxy S10 family, you'll see an OLED display, so it will be much better, and the hole is set to be a little bit smaller on the S10 family, so it's going to be better in every aspect. But still, for a mid-range level, I am super impressed by this display tech. tech is looking really futuristic, and it truly will be the next big thing this year. You're going to see a lot of fun with this design. Now, if we shift our attention from the front on the back, it is absolutely gorgeous. We have a beautiful gloss back with aluminum sides. It has a glossy finish. This is actually a black gradient color, so in certain situations it shows me that silver look, but then it has that black tone to it as well. And the absolute favorite thing about the design is the camera look. So it has the triple camera setup, which is similar to what we have seen with the Galaxy A7 and the A9. Already done a camera test against the Galaxy Note 9 to check out its potential, so it's pretty similar to that. But the look of it is very unique because this is having a ring around the main camera sensor. And no, this is not the flash ring. The flash is down here. But it looks pretty good. I wish this was the flash, but we'll see something like this on the latest iPhone according to the rumors. So a very premium design with the Galaxy A8S, a really nice overall side look. With the Infinity O design, the speaker has gone all the way on the top. So this is the maximum area we have right now with the speaker. In the future, Samsung will implement its sound on display tech, maybe with the Galaxy S11 or with the Note 10. We've got the power volume key on the right, a Bixby key on the left, along with the SIM card tray and micro SD card slot. Something that will surprise you is that this phone is not having a headphone jack. Talked about this before, but some people still don't believe. Yes, it is a Samsung phone with no headphone jack. This is Samsung's way of telling you that a change like this can happen in the future. Thankfully, not with the Galaxy S10 family or with the Note 10 most probably, but with the S11, Samsung can move away from the headphone jack to finally embrace the wireless technology. And I won't be mad at them at all because they kept it all this time and others get rid of it. Anyways, if you talk about other things, this one is having a 3400 mAh battery, which should be able to keep the lights on for a full day, fast charging. I will be testing that out in the coming days, so I'll be reviewing my experience with the Infinity O design before I will be having that experience on the Galaxy S10 family. So this is going to be a quick teaser of what to expect with the S10 and S10 Plus. And speaking of S10 Plus, we'll have a dual build hole on that phone, so it's going to be interesting to see how that will look. Now under the hood we have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 chip along with 6GB of RAM, and it scores pretty decent on the Geekbench 4, and overall performance is pretty snappy. I mean, this is a chipset that Samsung should use in pretty much all of their mid-range offering instead of any cheaper alternative. So this definitely performs way better, and 6GB of RAM should be able to give you a good RAM management performance as well, and will satisfy those who like to do a lot of gaming. Now finally, if we take a look at the camera sensor, this is of course triple camera setup. Like I said, it is very similar to the one that we have found on the Samsung Galaxy A7 2018 and A9 2018. So picture quality is good, I would say, in outdoor situation. The scene optimizer definitely does boost some things, but it's not that good in terms of low light. Overall, it is an average camera setup, nothing too exciting going on. In the future, I will definitely expect Samsung to bring more changes to its mid-range camera setup. The Samsung Galaxy A8S also rocks a 3400 mAh battery, so it should be able to go through the day, and also supports fast charging. Now, we'll be testing that out along with my experience with this Infinity whole design. I will be reviewing this before I get my hands on the Galaxy S10 family. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing and first look of the Galaxy A8S. If you guys want to see a speed test, let me know. I will be doing my review again. Make sure to stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.